So what up guys, we're live on Cloud Wallet. Here you can see your balance, tokens and more. So on your Cloud Wallet you can also see the NFTs that you have in your collections. So if you watch our previous video, you see how we bought some of these NFTs. Now let's say you want to list these NFTs, so you can go over to any of the marketplace you want to use. Now we first of all used this was WAXP viral market. So the NFTs are usually convertible to any of the marketplace. So you just go over to my inventory section. So in your inventory, that's where you see your collections. So here, I'm just going to close this please. So here you can see sell now. So you can see it's very written here, sell now. So we bought this for less than $1. So you can just click on sell now, because now it's not currently on sale. So you can click on any amount you want to put. So here you can see rapid sale, auction, so whichever one you want to do, but let me just use any of the amounts. So let's say you want to sell this for like 1000 WAPs, so that's like amount of WAPs buy now. So let me just put like 2000 WAPs here. So this is it. You can see creator earnings, market fee earnings and more. So you can put the number of days that you want this to be there. So let me say I want to put it for like 7 days. You can also put it for 30 days, or no, you can put it for like 30 days. So let me just put it for like 30 days. So here we have list NFT. So you just click here. So it's processing your transaction, and we're just going to sign up. We're going to wait for this so that we can sign it. So these were live on a viral market. So you can also use Atomic Hub. You can also use any WAXP blockchain NFT marketplace. So you can see confirming transaction, and you can see view listing. You just listed this for 1000 WAPs, guys. So we've successfully listed it. So you can see our list of auctions. Out of the 5 NFTs that we have in our collections, this one has been listed. So you can cancel the auction anytime you want, and you can see we auctioned it for about 30 days. Now I'm just going to go over to my Atomic Hub. So here, my Atomic Hub, once you click on your profile, click on inventory, you see your listings and more. So you can see list on the market. So if I refresh here, you see that this has been listed already. So here you can also see edit listings. That's maybe you listed a particular NFT and you want to edit the listing. So you can just click here. So if you click here, buyer will pay 1000 WAPs. So you'll be getting, so they usually charge 10%. So the 10% is usually shared between creators and royalty fees and more. So I'm just going to put here, let me just put 1500. So I think this is okay. So update listing, and this is basically all you need to do. And you could be lucky enough, somebody might just decide, oh, I like this collection, or you could share it on social media. So what I usually recommend is that whenever you list your assets, you can just go over to social media and say, I listed my NFT collection, and you can just click here. You can also bond the tokens. You can bond the NFT if you want to, so whichever one you want to do. But I'm just going to click on my listings. You can click on my listings to see or view and sell your listings that you've done so far, but I prefer to share it. So I'm just going to come here. So we come here and share this stuff. So you go over to where it's been listed. So I think this is the auction here. So okay, so you can take a screenshot of this. So I'm just going to come over here, so you can see previous sales and more. So people sold theirs for about $166 and more. So I can just come over to average price about 1.6. So let me go over to X. So on X, you can just make a post that, hey everyone, I just listed my WAXP NFT live on WAXP NFT marketplace. So you want to check it out if you're interested in this collection. Then you can also tag up. The user. So let me just paste this. So this is it. So you can start tweet, hi everyone. So I'm just going to make a tweet. Hi everyone, I just listed my NFT, my WAX NFT. So don't forget to put the word WAX NFT so that those individuals that are currently searching for WAX NFTs can see it on Viral Marketplace. So you just make a simple tweet like this and make sure to check it out. You can just say make sure to check it out. Make sure to check it out or buy it. Check it out. So you can see make sure to check it out and just put something interesting. So I'm just gonna put this. You can also put a picture of it if you want to, so it helps too. Just gonna take a picture of it. Okay, I think this is it. So I'm just gonna take a picture of it. Okay, I think I'm supposed to take a picture of it. So I'm just gonna try and download it. So you can download it too and upload, or whichever one you want to do. So yeah. So I'm just gonna drag this. Okay, so I just did that. So you can see here we just dragged it and put it out. So those individuals that like NFTs like this, you can also try as much as possible if you can tag the creator, that's the owner of the NFT. You can tag them and it'll be good. So this is basically how to go about this. So I'm just going to do this and more. So once you're done, just click on post and you're good to go. If you have any questions, guys, just feel free to let me know, and maybe I'm going to just post this and yeah, I think this is it. Let me put WAP stuff here. You can put hashtag NFTs, hashtag whatever, so that individuals searching for terms like hashtag NFT can check this out. So I have hashtag NFT here. NFTs, you can put hashtag NFTs, hashtag NFT collect community. So these will enable individuals who are searching for stuff like this to maybe just get to see your work and see your bid. So I'm going to post it now. I'm supposed to put the name of the collection too, but maybe later on. So you can post, and that's it, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This was just straightforward, so I'm just gonna retweet, and you can share this to your friends and more. So these are how easy it is to buy and list your how easy it is to list your NFTs and post it on social media so that you could attract a buyer. Cheers, guys.